morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, in our last class, we have revised cardinal and ordinal number. I hope you are clear with that. We have also started with our new topic, pronouns. So, first, again, we'll revise about pronoun and we'll revise only one worksheet. Then, we'll start with our new topic, reading activity. Shall we start with pronouns? Let's start. As I've already explained you about pronouns, before pronouns, I would like to tell you about nouns. Nouns are name, place, animal, thing. We replace noun with pronouns, and pronouns are I, we, he, she, it, you, they. Again, I'll show you the pictures. Let's start. I is pronoun used with am. When you talk about yourself, means myself. He is a pronoun we used with man or a boy. She is a pronoun used with woman or girl. It is a pronoun. It is used with animal or non-living thing. They and we are used with more than one person. Now we'll revise the worksheet. Let's start with the worksheet. I've already explained you about pronouns. Again we will revise. Kavish is the boy in the red shirt. Kavish is eating an ice cream. Mahi is my cousin. Mahi is a singer. Look at the dog. The dog is sleeping. Now let us read the sentences again, but this time differently. Kavish is the boy in the red shirt. He is eating an ice cream. Mahi is my cousin. She is a singer. Look at the dog. It is sleeping. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun when they are used many times. I, you, he, she, it, they, we are pronouns. We use he to replace a noun showing a boy or a man. She is used to replace a noun showing a girl or a woman. We use it to replace a noun showing an animal or non-living thing. They is used to replace a noun showing more than one person. I is used to talk about oneself. Is they and I together. For example, Karan and Arjun are friends. They go to school together. I like Trisha. We are best friends. Already explained you about pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun when they are used many times. Example, Rohan is my brother. Rohan is a doctor. We will write Rohan is my brother. He is a doctor. We replaced Rohan with he. Of pronoun, he is used with man or boy. She is used with woman or girl. It is used with animal or non-living thing. I is used with am, myself. They and we is used with more than one person. You is used when we talk to other person. Just look at the question. Again we will revise. Shall we start? Let's start. See question, fill in the blanks using he, she or it. We will be revising only one worksheet. The another worksheet is same. Let's start. We will revise the worksheet. We will revise only one worksheet as I have said. A. Color the noun in pink and pronouns in yellow. In bracket it is given I, Rocky, she, Anu, cat, he, apple, we, it, pen, you, friend. Pronouns: Rocky, Anu, cat, apple, pen, friend. Pronoun: I, she, he, we, it, you. B. Write the pronouns that you read in the sentences. First, I study in grade 2. The pronoun is I. You are a good boy. Pronoun is you. We will play in the park. Pronoun is we. They are best friends. Pronoun is they. Has she finished the milk? Pronoun is she. He is excited about the picnic. Pronoun is he. Why is it lying here? Pronoun is it. Fill in the blanks using he, she, or it. Farhan forgot his lunchbox. Dash is very upset. Already mentioned Farhan is boy. For boy we also use his, but we will write he. Farhan forgot his lunchbox. He is very upset. Disha got a present. Dash is happy. Disha is a girl, so for a girl we will write she. I bought a new bag. Dash is orange in color. For a bag we will write it. The new girl in class is nice. Dash is tall. Again for girl we will write she. The new classroom is nice. Dash is very big. For classroom we will write it. I hope now you are clear with the pronouns. Now we are going to start with our reading activity. Today we are going to read some funny facts about animals, like cows and dolphins are friendly animals. Pandas, they sleep wherever they want. Let us read with this, then we'll solve the exercise. Let's start. We are going to start with reading activity. Read this magazine article and answer this question. We are going to read about some fun facts about animals. Cows have best friends and get upset when they are separated. Dolphins have names for each other. Ostriches can run faster than horses, and some can roar louder than a lion. Pandas can fall asleep wherever they are. Rats laugh when tickled. Elephants can smell water from very far away. Seahorses hold each other's tail when they travel. They are also the slowest fish in the world. Butterflies taste with their feet and they can see some colors that human beings can't. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so that they do not drift away from each other in the water. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Squirrels keep burying nuts and forgetting them. These nuts then grow into trees. Have a look at the questions. True, false. Answer these questions. For the answers, I have prepared the PPT. Shall we start? Let's start. Already read fun facts about animal. Now we'll solve the question. Worksheet 4.3. A. Mark the statements as true or false. First, horses run slower than ostriches. True. Second, if you tickle a rat, it laughs. True. Seahorses are the fastest creatures in the sea. False. A hummingbird cannot fly backwards. False. Squirrels are forgetful animals. True. We answer these questions. First, how do we know that cows and dolphins are friendly animals? Cows and dolphins are friendly animals as they have their best friends and they have names for each other. Second, if a lion and an ostrich roared, who would be louder? Ostrich roar would be louder than lion. Third, which animal can fall asleep wherever it wants? Pandas can fall asleep wherever they want. 4. In which two ways are we different from butterflies? First, butterflies taste with their feet. Second, Butterflies can see some colors that human beings can't. Fifth, why do sea otters hold hand when they sleep? Sea otters hold hand when they sleep so that they do not drift away from each other in the water. So kids, we have done the reading activity. We have solved the worksheet. Please keep the habit of reading. Refer our video. You can read it from the previous chapter. It will improve your reading. I'll end my session here. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay at home.